Okay, so now it's the time to remove the vacuum accumulators. So there's this one screw here to remove. There is one here at the bottom that's gonna release this metal rack. Then we need to unclip these hoses from the side of the engine coolant tank, expansion tank. So once this is all done, we pull out the pipes from these accumulator, top and bottom, and I like to tag them to know where they were prior to be dismantled. Okay, I forgot to mention, in fact, at the bottom there are two nuts. You can see there's two tabs. It's because on my car the stud, the rear one is broken with the rust, so that's why I only have one there. So here you got tape, black tape and black tape, so that shows where they go. In order to remove these, it's good to take two hands, one that pull on the vacuum hose, and you can try also to help yourself gently with a flat screwdriver here. You want to go easy on those. You don't want to break this little plastic tab there at the bottom. So remove the four hoses, and this is removed.